Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, if you can't tell by the title, we're going to be playing again with the Beauty Bay Berries, Midnight and Earthy palettes. Yes, if you haven't seen, I've done a full review on each palette, but today I'm going to be combining the three to create a look. So I am super excited. I don't really know what look I kind of want to do. I want to do something quite funky. I'm going to try to switch up my makeup looks at the minute. I've been trying to do something different, and yeah, that's literally what we're gonna do today. So yeah, I guess like we're just gonna jump straight on into it. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lids. I might do one eye off camera, but yeah, if you didn't know these what the palette looks like, this is Berries, then we have Midnight, and then we have Earthy. I actually love them all. I think they're all beautiful. But yes, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna prime my lids, zoom you guys in, and then we're gonna jump straight into it. Hi guys, so I'm back. I've quickly just done this out of camera. It's also been a couple of hours as well, so the lighting looks different. It's basically because of that. I had some issues, so yeah, I went off camera and decided just to like deal with them issues before I came back and did the look. So yeah, basically the look wasn't going well. I'd done it twice, my eyes were hurting, but now I'm back, I'm ready to continue with this. So yeah, so I've just quickly primed this lid off camera, just use the Beauty Bay eye base. It's probably a little bit like dry now. I don't know whether I can actually put more on. Let me try, let's just have a little see. But yeah, obviously I did use all three palettes. So yeah, I wanted to combine them all. I don't really know how I feel about the look. I quite like it. It's very like groovy. But yeah, I kind of wanted to do something a little bit different. So yeah. First off, I'm gonna go into the Midnight palette, and I'm going to take the shade Iris, which is this purple shade here. I did actually use this purple in my Midnight video, so yeah, I'm just going to start to like create that shape round here. Honestly, I struggled with this eye look so much, which is why I took it off twice. And I literally had a bit of a meltdown. I think it's just one of them days today. Like makeup is just not my friend today. But I'm like making it. I'm like, you're gonna be my friend. That's it. So yeah. So yeah. Then I'm gonna jump into the Berries palette, and I'm going to take this shade here, which is called Bubblegum. This one here. And I'm going to start to like blend around the edges of this. Absolutely love pink and purple together. I think they're so cute. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. And obviously it's not like perfect, but it's fine. It's fine. We'll kind of come back to it. So yeah. I'm then gonna go into the green palette, which is the Earthy one, and I'm gonna take Shamrock, which is this green here, and I'm just gonna start to create the shape. I do go in with a bit of a darker green afterwards, but I just thought just to kind of create the shape that we're going for, that's what I'm gonna do. I haven't actually played with these palettes much, to be honest, since like using them last. I just haven't had the chance, but I do really love them. Like, that's just me being honest. I'm honest. I'm just honest, yeah. Like, I do love them, but I just haven't had a chance to sit down and play with them. So yeah. It doesn't matter too much about the shape because I can go in and like clean it up, whatnot. So yeah. Then I'm going to go into the shade Acid, which is this green shade here. And I'm just going to start to blend around, obviously, that green shade. So yeah. Okay, again, it's not perfect, but it's fine. Then I'm going to go back into the Midnight palette, and I'm going to take the shade Mist, which is this blue shade here. And I'm literally just going to take that, and I'm going to like fill in all the blank areas, if that kind of makes sense. All the areas that don't have, other than like in between, all the areas that don't have any colour there, pretty much like above here, as you can see. Taking it a little bit down there, but not too much. Yeah, just like packing it on kind of thing. Yes. This is where it starts to like come together. Obviously, it's not going to look perfect, but we're going to get it there. We're going to get it there, guys. I didn't have much faith for this look either until I'd finished this eye, and then I was like, okay, yeah. Even now, I'm like, not 100%, but, you know, I feel like with mascara, with lashes, with obviously the rest of my base on, I feel like we can make it work. So, yeah. Then I'm just going to go back into the light pink shade that we'd use, this one. I'm just going to mix it with a little bit of Curve, which is this one up here. Just like mixing it a little bit. And I'm just going to like blend out that pink even more, just because like it's quite harsh. And I still want it to look a little bit blended. So yeah. And then I will just go in and like buff out the purple some more, because again, the purple is looking a little harsh. And again, I obviously still want that like blended effect. I actually really struggled with this purple today, because when I first tried to do this look, I'd like set my base down, which I don't usually do. But I had set it down, and yeah, it just wasn't good. It was very uneven, very patchy. So I'm gonna be honest, if you're gonna use a purple, like one of these purples from the palettes, don't set your base down, because it's just gonna be extremely patchy, not blended, and we don't want that. We want blended realness. So yeah, that's just me. I'm just being honest. I'm just voicing my opinion. Because you guys probably always know that I don't set my base down, and I'll literally just go in. So yeah. with a tacky base. Okay, so I'm gonna go back into the green now, and I'm gonna basically do the same things. I'm just gonna like blend it out with like the blue, and then like go into the darker green shade again and build that up, that kind of thing. So yeah. Go into the dark green shade again. It's, as you can see, it's like not 100%. It's not like perfect, but it's fine because we'll get it there. We'll get it there. Okay, so what I'm going to quickly do is I'm just going to carve out, like I've done on this eye, I'm going to carve out these bits here, and then I'll be back and we'll like fill them in together. Okay, so I am back. I've quickly just done that. So we're going to fill it in now. That's what we're going to do. So starting with the pink side, I'm going to go into, if we find it, bubblegum again, this shade here. And I'm just going to like start to kind of fill it in a little bit, like so. Just following the same kind of pattern, like the same shape as what I've done. Literally just packing it on, as you can see. Then I'm going to go back into the blue palette, the Midnight palette, and take the shade Mist again, this one here. I'm literally just going to fill in the blank area where there's just concealer. So just going to fill that in. Perfect. Very happy. Very, very happy. Going on to the green side. I'm going to take the same shade again. I'm going to go into the shade Shamrock. This one here. I just stabbed it. Didn't mean to stab it. I'm literally just going to like follow the same shape again. But like what I'm going to do as well in a second is I'm going to take the shade Acid and I'm going to apply that to like the end, just so it has like a bit of like an ombre effect. So it's not just like a harsh green, like from start to finish, if that makes any sense whatsoever. I hope it does. But then I'm also going to go into the shade Ivy, which is this deep green up here. And I'm going to apply that just to like where that bit is. If that makes any sense. I mean, I hope it does. And I'm also going to apply Ivy like around the outer edges of where I've like done that cut crease moment. Just because I felt like there wasn't enough depth there for me. I'm just gonna go into a different brush just so I have more control over it. Yeah, it wasn't deep enough for me. I wanted it to be a little bit deeper. And then I'm going to go into the blue again. The light blue mist to like build that up. I feel like I've taken it way too far out on this eye than this eye, but it is what it is. So I'm just going to fill them bits in. I also feel like it's thicker on this eye. Oh, that's annoying me. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, just do my lashes, my base, everything off camera, and then I'll be back and we'll wrap this video up. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back. This is the finished look. What do you guys think? I'm a lot happier than what I was with it. I feel like with the lashes, with the rest of my base and whatnot, I think it looks kind of funky. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. If there's any other looks you want me to do using these 3 palettes or any other Beauty Bay palette, please let me know. But yeah, I'm obsessed with these palettes. I think they're beautiful. So yeah, if you want me to do another look combining all 3 as well, of course I can do that for you guys. Just let me know. But yeah, I guess that's it for today's video. Everything else that I'm wearing on my face will of course link in the description box down below. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!